Hello everybody, this is Great Math number 109 with me, JP. Today we're doing another video. So this time we're going to try to figure out this. So it says triangle ABC is an acute triangle. It means it's not a right triangle. We're trying to prove that A divided by sinus A is equal to B divided by sinus B is equal to C divided by sinus C. So we're trying to figure out what this, we're trying to prove that in this triangle. Now note, this is not a right triangle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this right here, so it's going to be two right triangles. Because when you have an acute triangle and you're trying to prove a sinus or cosinus or tangent, and you don't have a right triangle, you make it into a right triangle. Or you make it into two, in this case. So let's try it. So right here we have two triangles. See, x, x. Yeah, I'm gonna call it x because you know what, we don't have a point there, so that's gonna be the 90 degrees. A, that's gonna be B, and that's gonna be C. So how are we? Now where we're gonna go? So we're gonna try to find out the sinuses of this case. Okay, so let's try it. So sinus A here, it could be CX divided by B, or it could be BX divided by C. Why is that? Because there's two A's, so there's two sinuses it could be. Which that means that A divided by sinus A is equal to AB divided by CX, or AC divided by BX. Now, we don't know what sinus B or sinus C is yet, so we can't really come up with a conclusion. So sinus B is equal to, so right here, it's opposite, AX divided by C. Okay, so AX divided by C, which then B divided by sinus B means that it's BC divided by AX. Okay, so that's what we get there. So then we try to find sinus C. Okay, so far A and B aren't equal, but let's see if C is at least, and maybe we can try to work something out. So sinus C, that is AX divided by B, right here. So that's the same thing as C divided by sinus C, which is equal to BC divided by AX. Hey, these guys are the same. So that's good. That proves sinus B divided by sinus B is equal to C divided by sinus C. But that doesn't prove A divided by sinus A is equal to it. What else can we do? There's nothing else, right? No, there still is. That's one way to cut the triangle. We can also cut the triangle this way. Just like this. Okay? So let's try that. So instead we have a triangle like that. Okay, then we have our angles here. That's X, that's X. A is still here. Now B is doubled. And C. So we have the base is A, this side is C. Okay? So I'm trying to draw a line here so we don't get confused. So we have sinus A. That's equal to, what is it? Sinus A is, that's BX divided by C. BX divided by C. And so that means that A divided by sinus A, that's equal to AC divided by BX. Hey, it's the same thing as this. But then, that's two sinus A's equaling the same thing. That doesn't matter. So, let's go for the next one. Let's try for B. Now, B can be two different things. Sinus B here, it is, well, in this case, it's AX divided by C, or in this case, CX divided by A. Which then is equal, and that means that B divided by sinus B is equal to BC divided by AX, or AB divided by cx. This is still not equal here. Then we look up here, then we see that we look up here, and we see that we find AB divided by CX also here. So those two are the same. That shouldn't be right though, right? No, it is. It's the same triangle, although it's a different case when we split it differently. BC divided by AX should be the same thing than AB divided by CX. And so should all of these, right? These should all equal to each other. So, because they're the same triangle, if we find one, we find the other. So, therefore, it is true. Because, okay, first we find that B divided by sinus B is equal to C divided by sinus C. But then we see that in case 1, A divided by sinus A is equal to, in case 2, B divided by sinus B. So therefore, we get the conclusion that we finally proven that A divided by sinus A is equal to B divided by sinus B is equal to C divided by sinus C. And that's it. That's the answer for this problem, and we're done, just like that. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe. Please also leave a big fat like button. Please click the big fat like button, sorry. And this is us here, and we just discovered the law of sines, I believe. Yeah, the law of sines. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this helps you in any other math problem. The law of sines is always this, and it works for any triangle, especially if you're trying to find out acute triangles. So I hope you guys like that video, and goodbye.